So, welcome back to another Random Hobby channel. It's been so long since we've posted mga nilamon ng work at nilamon ng Silksong. So, ngayon lang ulit tayo magpo-post ng MTG content. Bad news also, NaokiCon sa may Aachen, Germany was cancelled. Medyo stressful. So, canceled my hotel accommodation. Let's just travel somewhere else. Sayang naman yung vacation leave. Vicious assault. Yeah. So far, nilamon tayo ng Silksong and Virus Beetle. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag Churvalu sa YouTube ng mga ganyang content. So far, aralin pa natin. Pero feeling ko kailangan natin ng OBS something at saka video capture something. Ooh, modern age. That's new. Build it. But let's see. Wala namang hindi naaral. Mech Hanger. Dockside Chief. Flame Discharge. Oh, Hinata. Dawn. Aha, that's all. Ito pa lang ating Churvalu. Blossoming Sands and Ninja. So, Age of Eternities. Spider-Man. Medyo, I'm not that much excited for Spider-Man. But, yeah. Kumuha lang tayo ng mga pre-cons na pre-release something. Sinister Cryologist, Orbital Plunge, Sammy's Curiosity, Squire's Lightblade, Depressurize, Red Tiger Meccan, Dubious Delicacy, Harmonious Grove Strider, Cavaron Haya. Wow! Grabe! Mystifying Maze! Infinite Guideline Station! Very nice! Magandang pag-open natin ngayon kahit medyo minalas-malas sa ibang event. So, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Pakmas! Ciao! So, great pulls.